All right, what's up? Today is a bit of a odd day. I am just at a client meeting and I'm going to be heading off to do a little bit of a drone job. So I thought I'd bring the camera along and make some videos, make some content. Hope you enjoy this one. Let's go get some coffee and get on the road. We're up at the lots. They're all up behind me here, and I'm gonna be doing some flying, get some shots, hopefully before all these clouds start to roll in. But that's what we're doing today. Got the unlock and the approval from the airport, got the radio rolling. I'm listening to the traffic frequency and will advise, oh, let's get up there and get flying, get some shots. That wraps up this little drone job. I know I didn't really film a lot of doing the work, but I honestly can't. So I'll just throw some of those clips up. You can see kind of the stuff I've flown, maybe a couple photos at the end, and we'll wrap it up that way. Thanks for joining me on this weird adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I was gonna try and drive and film, but like there's a cop beside me. I'm like, yeah, it's probably not a good time to do that. So anyways, alrighty, well, this shutter is set wrong.